Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how easily you can grow pole beans. Here are 8 tips. Tip number 1. Seed can be sowed directly in the ground when the average daily temperature is above 15 degrees centigrade. Tip number 2. Sowing seed in a container speeds up the process. Cover the container with a plastic bag and place it under the sun. Seeds can germinate twice as fast this way. Tip number 3. Plant the seedling 1 to 2 inch apart. They need a good organic soil mix, 4 to 8 hours of sunlight, and adequate water during the growing stage. Tip number 4. Pole bean need a trellis to climb up. Look out for upcoming videos on how to make a bean trellis. If you don't have a trellis, you can grow bush beans instead. Bush bean doesn't climb and grows only about 20 cm tall. Tip number 5. More than one bean seedling can climb up the same support wire without causing any issues to the plant. Tip number 6. Flat beans are the quickest to grow, followed by round pole beans, and lastly long bean. If you have limited space, grow pole bean instead, as they have the highest yield. Tip number 7. Leave a few good pole beans on the plant until they dried out. Harvest and save them as a seed for next year. Tip number 8. It's okay to cut some of the leaves from the lower branch or top section to thin out. This won't affect the bean production. It will allow more airflow. That's it. It's so easy to grow pole bean. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. As always, happy gardening.